got it last year, and I started with my partner,
Okay.
co-worker.
Yes, sir.
And
Nice.
he got me into this.
Okay. What subs are they?
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Could you tell me your name and what's in
Francisco.
here? Francisco, okay. What equipment do you have?
It's a 2017 Passat
Okay.
R-Line, and I just got it last year, and I started with my partner,
Okay.
co-worker.
Yes, sir.
And
Nice.
he got me into this.
Okay. What subs are they?
CVLs
The EVLs?
Yeah.
Okay. On what amp?
with Cosmos Audio.
Cosmos Audio. Okay. I'm gonna go check out the back. Appreciate it.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I do daily cardio YouTube videos. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Francisco's system. I was hoping to get more information when I was getting a demo from him, but he didn't really know too much about his system, but he got it installed from a friend. Did a good job getting it installed. Really nice and clean install. This was at the TDH show in Virginia of 2021. Team Deadly Hertz. Looking forward to showing you all how it sounds. Go ahead and give him a thumbs up if you haven't already. Really nice, clean job install. I like the way that the builder actually laid out the amplifier rack in the back to where just that simple 1500 watt RMS amplifier has a little layout on top of it where all the wiring is hidden underneath. He has an LC1 because I think he has a stock stereo system that he was ran to that LC1 to boost his signal, and you can see he has a driver port, and it looks like it was a personalized customized box since there is a blue port in there, unless they got a prefab and they just wanted to paint it blue and carpet it, but it looks custom. And I didn't really know if this was actually a SCAR SVR instead of the EVL based on the stitching and the SCAR logo on it. So let me know in the comments if you know what type of SCAR this is. I'm pretty sure this is the $130 SCAR sub, and he has the trunk open for this demo, so my question for you is, are you louder with the trunk open or closed? Give us comments and the feedback on that. Looking forward to what y'all say. Seemed pretty good for what it was. He had his windows down, door open, and the trunk open when he gave us this demo we're going to get to now. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for videos every day, and enjoy. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.